manage your APK files? Let us introduce you to APKOnline APK Manager for Android APKs, your ultimate tool for running Android apps directly from your browser. Managing APK files has never been easier. Whether you're an app developer, a tester, or just someone who loves Android, APKOnline is here to save you time, effort, and unnecessary hassle. And the best part? It's completely free and takes just minutes to set up. Let's walk you through the steps to get started. First, open the Chrome Web Store and search for APKOnline APK Manager. If you want to make it even easier, click the direct link we've included in the description below. It'll take you straight there. Once you're on the extension page, take a moment to check out its features. You'll see why thousands of users already rely on APKOnline to streamline their APK management. When you're ready, click the blue Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Don't worry, just click Add Extension and the installation will begin. In just seconds, APKOnline APK Manager will be added to your browser, ready to use. But wait, there's one more step to make things even smoother. Look at the extensions icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Click it, find APKOnline in the drop-down list, and pin it to your toolbar. This way, APKOnline is always just one click away whenever you need it. Now that you're set up, let's talk about what APKOnline can do. You can upload your APK files with ease, organize them neatly, and launch Android apps directly in your browser. No extra devices, no downloads, no fuss. Whether you're testing an app, previewing features, or simply enjoying your favorite Android tools, APKOnline makes it simple, fast, and reliable. It's like having the power of an Android device right at your fingertips without the need for any hardware. Imagine the possibilities.